those babies. I thought about you do that. I thought they would stay with me, and then I could check out the George.